This is the crash course on the Hyperdeck, and what I am going to show you is totally the very basics of how this works. So number one, what gets fed to the Hyperdeck is from the auxiliary feed. So we're going to set program, and that means that whatever is coming in here, okay, on the SD line, okay, on your input is what you see. Excellent. Now, I can change the input, see how it's SDI, and I can go to HDMI. There's absolutely nothing coming in on HDMI. See, it says no signal. I'm going back to SDI. There it is. Super. Okay. I want you to also notice that there is a little box there. That means you are in stopped mode. That's really important. You get to stop mode by, well, hitting stop. I know, it's hard. Okay, so now what I actually like to do is I like to use the software, which is right up here. So let's go to Media Player and Hyperdeck, and you will see that we have a number of clips. You can click on the clip and it takes you back. Okay, now you're gonna need to learn how to rewind using both the Hyperdeck and the software. So when you go back to rewind, you can hit search. Okay, that gives you the pause search. I've forgotten the name of the actual one, but it allows you to go back individual frames. Okay, if you want to go back to if you want to move back a little further, you can go with this guy right here, and that allows you to move around using in seconds, and then you hit search one more time. This one actually is kind of, you can change. Look at this, see, I'm going forward at 3/4 speed, and then I'm going forward twice the speed, but now I'm going back 3 times the speed. So this is kind of a neat one. It uses the shuttle, right? It's also how you can actually make things go at 1/4 and 1/2 speed too. All right, hitting stop. Now that I've hit stop, I'm now in stopped mode. If I'm in stopped mode and the person hits play over here for ready for me, then on the switcher, then it will auto roll. But it will not roll if it's in pause mode. In actual fact, what it does is it jumps it into stopped mode right there. Okay, so here you are, you're in stop mode, you've got everything already, you've rewound it, you say Hyperdeck ready, right? Or playback ready or replay ready, and then the switcher loads this guy into number 8 on the preview. So let me just do that very quickly. We're going to hit number 8. See, there it is, and then he hits the space bar. Boom. And he is throwing that video up here. Excellent. See how it's playing down here? All right, and now I can say, yeah, that's enough. And we're hitting stop. Fabulous. Next, this software right here. I love this. This allows you to pick whatever video you want to work with, and you can rewind it. Okay, go forward 1/2, 3/4, and it's all seen down here. Okay, so it is really important that you play around with this and learn all the quirks of the Hyperdeck in order to be able to find where you need to be. You can also move forward and backward using these guys. So if I hit the backward button, watch this. Okay, it will take me back. Okay, I had to hit it twice. There we go. And so now I'm at the very beginning. Okay, so you can learn how to play around with this and set it to exactly what you need. If the hyperdeck is totally full, you can format this guy, but these are the cards that they use right here, okay? And you can go into the menu and you go to storage, format menu, and you pick the card and format it. But I would actually prefer that you grab just another card if possible, because I'd like to be able to keep all of the footage. But if you absolutely have to, do it. Okay, get out of here by hitting menu or input. Input takes you right on back. All right, I'm gonna send this guy to program. There it is, and you can see it's me. Awesome, that's how to use the hyperdeck.